All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
The Indian Air Force's pursuit of new fighter jets under the Multi-Role Fighter Aircraft (MRFA) program has brought American contenders like the F-35, F-16 and F/A-18 Super Hornet into the spotlight. While these aircraft boast advanced capabilities, persistent concerns about the potential inclusion of a kill switch or backdoor technology raise critical questions about sovereignty and operational independence that India must carefully consider. A kill switch refers to a hidden feature or mechanism, often software-based, that could allow the manufacturer or supplying nation to remotely disable or degrade the performance of a weapon system. For countries like India that prioritize strategic autonomy, the potential presence of a kill switch raises serious concerns. If the US retains the ability to remotely disable or limit the performance of its fighter jets, it could compromise the operational independence of the procuring nation. This raises the possibility of US military hardware being rendered inoperable in the event of geopolitical disagreements or sanctions, as seen in cases involving Turkey's acquisition of the S-400 air defense system or Pakistan's limited access to F-16 upgrades. Past instances have fueled these concerns. After the Kargil War in 1999, the US imposed restrictions on Pakistan's use of F-16s, reportedly requiring US approval for their full utilization. Similarly, Turkey was expelled from the F-35 program after acquiring the Russian S-400 system. These incidents highlight how the US can leverage its military platforms to enforce compliance with its foreign policy objectives. For India, procuring US fighters like the F-35 or F-15 could create a vulnerability to external control, especially during times of geopolitical tension or conflict. India's defense philosophy emphasizes self-reliance and operational independence, principles that a kill switch would directly undermine. India must prioritize the following: times thorough due diligence, conducting rigorous technical evaluations to identify and address any potential vulnerabilities; times negotiating strong safeguards, securing ironclad guarantees and agreements that ensure India's complete operational control over acquired platforms; strengthening cybersecurity, implementing robust cybersecurity measures to detect and mitigate any backdoor vulnerabilities; times investing in indigenous programs, accelerating the development of indigenous fighter programs like the Tejas Mk2, AMCA, and TEDBF to reduce reliance on foreign platforms. While US fighter jets offer undeniable technological advantages, the potential for a kill switch is a critical concern that India cannot afford to ignore. It underscores the importance of investing in indigenous platforms and negotiating strong operational guarantees when procuring foreign military equipment to ensure India's strategic autonomy and operational independence are not compromised.